Okay, so 10th standard students, very warm welcome to the JC English High School online session of your class social study. So in the last 3-4 videos, what we have done, we are going through the geography chapter 7, that is India land resources. We have already gone through the land use pattern of India or land utilization, the meaning, what are the net sown area, forest area, land not available for cultivation, fallow land, cultivable wasteland, permanent pasture, land under miscellaneous uses. After that, we have gone through the agriculture, what is the meaning, what is the importance and the types of agriculture, and after that we have gone to crop season and your cropping pattern, and then we started with the major crops of India, where we have done the food crops, rice and wheat, commercial crops, sugar, tobacco, and fiber crop, cotton. In last we have completed the fiber crop, cotton. So today we will be starting with the beverage crop, tea. Tea is a beverage crop. Beverage means the drinks what we used to have. Okay. So beverage crop. The crop which are produced for stimulation purposes are called beverage crop. It gives us certain stimuli. Stimuli means it gives some energy to us. Okay, coffee and tea are the most important beverage crop of India. There are two beverage crop, that one is coffee, one is tea. Okay, tea is not that much produced in Karnataka, but coffee is produced in abundance in Chikmagaluru district, Kodagu district there. That's why Karnataka is also known as the land of coffee. So now we will go with the tea. The scientific name of tea plant is chameleon. Chameleon is the scientific name of tea. Tea is the most important and cheapest of all the beverages. Any shop here you will go, people are having tea and coffee. Okay, coffee is little expensive, but tea is very cheap. So tea is the most important and cheapest of all the beverages. India is the second largest producer of tea after China. Okay, India is the second largest producer of tea after China. Tea is a plantation crop. Plantation crop means state of the state. Okay, it generally grows in a slope area, in a hilly region like coffee only, and extensive land means very vast land only tea is produced. So tea is a plantation crop. It is a tropical and subtropical crop. It requires a temperature of 21 to 30 degrees centigrade and heavy rainfall of 150 to 250 centimeter annually. It grows best in deep and fertile soil, rich in humus. It requires hill slopes. Okay, without hill slopes you can't do the plantation of tea. With an altitude of, it requires a hill slope with an altitude of 1200 to 2400 meters above sea level. It should be a high place. Okay, so Darjeeling is a place in West Bengal where tea, Darjeeling is the leading producer of tea in India. Okay, tea is mainly grown in Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, where the hill slopes are there you can see, and it is abundant in Assam and West Bengal. Those teas are even exported to other countries, very high quality of tea. So with this we are finishing your major crops of India. So this beverage crop was left, which we have completed. It's very small. Now we will go with some other concept, that is the role of horticulture. Okay, what is this horticulture? The cultivation of fruit, vegetables, flower, medicinal and aromatic plant is called horticulture. So what is horticulture? The cultivation of fruits, vegetables, flower, medicinal means there are some plants from the leaves which are used for medicine production. Okay, one you know, that is tulsi. Tulsi is very much necessary for medicinal. It is regarded as a medicinal herb. Okay, and aromatic plants is called horticulture. In India, horticulture provides an incentives for making agriculture more profitable through efficient land use, optimum use of natural resources and generally skilled employment for the rural masses. Okay, so what is this? In India, horticulture provides an incentives for making agriculture more profitable. If we do only vegetables, it's not. There are other need also, like flowers are there, aromatic plants are there, then your excuse me, aromatic plants are there, then medicinal herbs are there. We should focus on all the things which will give us more profit. It enhances exports. These medicinal herbs leaf are exported to other countries also and provides nutritional security. Okay, nutritional security means there are some leaves which are having the advantage of if you are having pressure or sugar, you can use that leaf also, you can cure yourself. That is Ayurveda. Ayurveda is mainly dependent on these medicinal herbs. No chemicals are used. India, with its wide variety of climate and soil, has good potential for growing a variety of horticulture crop. Different types of soil and different types of climates are present in India. So this horticulture can be done. The potential for horticulture is there in India. Next is, it is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world next to China. Okay, India is the largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world next to China. Its share in the global production of fruit is 11% and vegetable is 7%. Okay, out of 195 countries of the world, India shares 11% of vegetables and 7% of vegetables and 11% of fruits in the world. Horticulture is carried mainly in Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. These are the leading states who encourage horticulture as their livelihood, from where they are making profit. Even these herbs or these things are even exported to other countries. So now you got the idea of what is horticulture. Now we will go for the role of floriculture. Okay, horticulture and floriculture. What is floriculture? Floriculture is the cultivation of flower for commercial purposes. India is known for the art of growing flowers. Okay, several types of flower you can see. You go each and every state other than the full dry state. Even in the dry state also you can see several types of flower, different types of flower. I don't know whether you have gone to Lal Bagh Botanical Garden or not. You can see at least of this winter season 200 colors type of roses. So India is having a very good soil and climate for the production of flower. And when the flowers are used commercially, see in the marriage, in any celebration, for the puja purpose also, we use the flowers. What it is called here as mallige. Okay, so these flowers are having several potential. It is used for the puja purpose, even if it is used for other purposes also. Okay. It has the potential of generating income and providing employment opportunity for farmers, especially women. Okay, women are mainly for this garland and all making. Women are being employed, so it encourages the employment of the women. Farmers also, those who are doing the cultivation of flowers and all, and also add to the export of our country. Flowers are being exported to other countries also. India's agroclimate conditions are very suitable for the cultivation of a variety of flower. Okay, agroclimatic condition means it refers to soil types, rainfall, temperature and water availability which influence the agriculture or vegetation. So India's agroclimate conditions are very suitable for the cultivation of a variety of flowers. Different types of flowers we can see in our country. India is known for growing traditional flowers, like traditional flowers, those which are very much from the tradition, from the very long before we are familiar with these flowers, like jasmine, marigold, rose, belly, champa, aster, etc. Cut flowers like orchids, gladiolus, okay, carnations, lily, anthurium, etc. are also very famous. Okay, what are cut flowers? Cut flowers are flower buds that has been cut from the plant bearing for decorative purpose. See, if you go for a marriage party, you can see the flower is there, but besides that the leaf and all those buds are there. They are known as the cut flower. In India, floriculture is mainly developed in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and West Bengal. Okay, these are the places where floriculture is being encouraged. The name horticulture is derived from the Latin word hortus, meaning garden, and colere, meaning to cultivate. The progress of the horticulture field is called golden revolution. So go through the notes, you will get an idea. It will be giving in the exam, it can come, write a note on horticulture and or floriculture. Okay, so that time you have to write which are the places where it is found, which place India is, what it is exactly, what is horticulture, what is floriculture. Horticulture means the vegetables, fruits, everything, aromatic, your medicinal herbs, etc. Floriculture means the cultivation of flower for commercial purpose. Okay, so here the women are getting benefited, all these things. So you have to make a note, you have to give an idea about that, and you will get the marks there. So from the next class, only one chapter it is pending for you, that is the economics, rural development. So in the next class we will be starting with the rural development. Thank you and see you in the next video. Thanks.